Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double pencil cup holder. Here I have 2 cans that I'm recycling, which I've already started to apply some duct tape to. Here I have another roll of duct tape in a black and white pattern and some scissors. So I've decided to cover these with solid pink tape, and now I'm going to use this accenting tape to join them together and add a nice decorative element. I'm going to open the tape and I'm going to start applying it in the middle of this can. Now if you don't get it exactly where you want it, you can always peel it back a little bit and reapply, working out the air bubbles as you go along. Once I get the tape to meet with where I had it, almost meet, not quite, I'm going to join it with this can. Working my way around and bringing it back to that first can. Once I get it to overlap, I'm going to cut this off. Once you cut off the roll, it's a little easier to play around with it if you need to smooth it out a little bit. And there you have a double pencil cup holder. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.